Hi, this is Lisa with Inspired to Thrive. Today I wanted to share my favorite tool, Fliki. They recently made some updates, and I just had a blogger email me today asking me what's different and what it looks like, how to use it. So I wanted to give a little overview for you so you can see the changes that Fliki has made for you to generate videos for social media, YouTube, your blog, etc. I hope you find it useful. Can you create videos as you see here, but you also can create audio, which would be great for podcasting. And you can also do designs. There's one design I really want to show called social. And what I learned practicing is that you can create fabulous carousel posts. You know, the carousel posts are really hot on Instagram, LinkedIn, and also Instagram, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. I've done some there. So I wanted to show you what that looks like in my file. Everything that you do, you can keep in file and go back to it, make edits, etc. So this is an example how you could do for Instagram. I'm just going to change. You can go in and change the text. We're going to put the script in there, maybe make it a little bit smaller. Let's see the size. Yep, we're going to go smaller. And we can even change where it goes. You can move this down. You could stretch it out. Maybe make it a little bit smaller as well. Where's the font size there? Here we go. Perfect. And move it down. That's how you edit. So you kind of get the idea how it works. Again, I'm going to change this to that other one. And we're going to make it a little smaller on one line and change where it goes. And we can move this one down. So you can see how quick and easy it is to create these slides for carousel posts, which are extremely popular on several of the social media platforms. And let's see, this one we're going to put right there. Perfect. So there you have it. And all you have to do is hit the download button. And let's see, I think you can choose JPEG, PNG, whatever format you want, even make a PDF. So there's lots of things you can do here with the design under social. Presentations I haven't done yet, but I know you can transfer presentations into videos, PowerPoint to video. So I'm wondering if this would also make a PowerPoint. So that's something you can play with to see. Thumbnails, if you want to create stunning thumbnails for your videos. I haven't even tried this. Let's see how Fliki AI saves you time and how they have improved their dashboard for more options. Let's just see. I'm not going to choose a file. Let's see if we can pick one from them because I'm going to need this file to put onto YouTube. So I want it to look modern. What do I want to call it? Product launch tutorial series. I'll put it in the series and content creators. Let's see what we get here. This is the very first time I'm using this one, so I really don't know how it's going to come out. We want to do it as a square, I believe. This ought to be interesting. AI media, yes. Oh, I love clay. Let's see what they come up with. Again, being the first time, I'm not expecting something fabulous, but who knows? Effortlessly, yeah, I'm not crazy about what they got for the words, but if we move that down, mm, it's okay. So this is something you could edit. Again, all you have to do, I just want to use the word save time making videos. That's really what I want to say there. We'll get the text way down and let's change the style. Let's do something a little bit different. Oh, I like that a lot. I wonder if you can move this down too. Oh, well, no, you don't want because you got the background there. I wouldn't do that, but I like this. And maybe just perfect. I like that. Save time making videos. Maybe you can make it go out more. And then it could go back a little bit bigger. You get the gist. So that's you can do. You can also, if you don't like the photo, go back in and ask it to generate something else. And you know, it's got analytics. We don't really want analytics. We want the F. Let's see if we can get this in here. Flicky dashboard. If you hear some background noise, it's my new puppy. I think she's eating right now. Nope, that's not what we want. Filled with Flicky dashboard. Generate. Okay, here we go. Let's see what this does. That's not bad, actually. That does look very, let's put that in there just to have something. And there you have it. And then you just hit download and you could save the file. So those are the options you have. So I do like that social the thumbnail, depending on what you're doing and what you put in for your prompts. You can come up with something really nice. Um, putting your scripts or blog into an audio be perfect for podcasting. And again, the blog is unbelievable. I've got lots of files here. I can share a few with you. Um, this was one I did on the Twitter profiles or X profile. And you just put a post in and it gives you different ones. You get to choose how long you want to make the videos. You can do some for 30 seconds, a minute, and I believe up to 15 minutes with the pro plan. Um, let's see, what was this one unlocker? Oh, this is the bookmark one. This actually came from the blog post. Yep. So this is another one, and I actually did it in the format for X to be on X Twitter. As you can see, because they have a wider one, whereas the YouTube Shorts and the Pinterest are, let's see if this is the correct size. Yes, as you can see, this is definitely the correct size. And again, these could be moved around and you could change the text, etc. And you can always go in and change some of the text in here. And the other thing I wanted to share was the background. You can always go in and change that. There's all kinds of music, sound effects. You can even generate something. So you have all kinds of options you can play with. The settings, the gap between the scenes, you could change this to longer or shorter. These are the options. Landscape I use for X and LinkedIn or Facebook. Square mostly for Instagram, but that can also be used for some of the other posts on the social networks. The portrait is definitely for Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Pinterest. So I use a lot of those because I've been doing lots with Pinterest lately, as they've been working really well. So there you have it. These are the different things you can use to create videos, to create audio, even for design. Flicky has it all now with their new improved dashboard. I'd love to know if you've been using it, and you can always try it out for free. They do offer the free trial. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.